updating user features and restricted statuses for the document review. Choose Utilities, Licensing and Users, System Users, and instead of going into Users, we choose Groups instead. If your groups are set up in a different way than I have on screen, that's okay because it'll be specific to your firm. But in general, the theory is the same. We go into each one, if needs be, of the groups such as fee earners or partners or general users and update their settings, which then will be reflected across any user that is set on those user groups. For example, as fee earners should have the status available to them of approved and rejected, if we double click into the fee earners group and choose the Features tab, minimize, as I do on screen here, until we get to the PMS section, move down a couple of options, and you'll see then can use restricted status. If this is unticked, obviously then tick it, and that will be available to all fee earners. Once you're happy with that, hit OK, and that will update. They may have to restart ALB, but that will update then for each of the staff members that are set as fee earner. Simple case as well, if you need to remove, once again, quick tip just to minimize all the way down to PMS and then untick the box, get them to restart ALB, and that should be good from there. If you're finding that certain users maybe aren't getting an update on their settings, it may be worthwhile to go in to System Users, Users, and Staff, and then choose the staff member that is having the issue and check their settings directly. So once we open up the user record, we'll find the feature from the list, and then we'll make sure that it's ticked. Okay. Once inside the user record, choose the Features tab, do the same as we've done before, minimize all the other options down to PMS, and then come down here and then just check that that's ticked or unticked. If you're finding that's still having problems, my advice would be to check the logon info tab and to just check which of the groups that they are assigned to, and that might be causing the problem. If they are in the wrong group that is maybe set up for your firm, it's a simple case of unticking. It will ask you to confirm. We will then confirm that as those default sets of the group for partners has been removed from this user. Hit OK, and that should be the user updated.